Good morning. Today is Friday the 13th, January the 13th. Market will be opening in about 4 minutes. The only news we have left for the day is preliminary consumer sentiment at 8:55. Volume is already past 11,000, heading to 12. So this will be a fine volume day. And we've had this big push down this morning, which if I bring in the 610, I see that this puts us at a deep retracement right now. So we'll just take a look and see what's going on in a few minutes. See what presents itself. In order to take a short, though, I would really want to see price short. I'd really want to see price come all the way back up to here. So I'm really looking that we may be taking a long at the market open. So I'll just wait and be back in a couple of minutes. Market's open. This area all in here is definitely the deep. Oops. Okay. Well, my NinjaTrader's misbehaving on me. Okay. A gift there, that's alright. There we go, look at that. So hesitated on that one a little bit. Certainly got the push up here coming. May be a little too shallow. It is a deep from here, but nice step here. See if that 610 can get on that top rail or not. Go ahead and push that to the 38. Bring that up to 76 for now. Okay, that's what I wanted to see right there on the rail like that for the 610. Put some more on there. This really should go ahead and get itself back up there on the top of that rail. Alright, first target's filled. Go ahead and lock in behind that pivot right there. Everything is green. Okay, so smoothies all topped off, and we've got consumer sentiment preliminary numbers coming out at in 4 minutes, 3.5 or so. And big bars have started forming in here, so I'm wondering if maybe that information didn't get leaked out. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take that like this anyway. There we go. I just like that better. So that'll get it. We'll get this one here in a second. 610's looking nice. 987's even come to the party. So the market's drying up as the news comes out. See how our market depth gets real shallow. This is where you, boom, there's one target filled. Let's see if we can go ahead and boom to the next target. We have had a bit of an issue there. Let's see if that, okay, if this is going to go ahead and turn up, then I'll hang out here. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and exit this whole thing. I want to see this as an up bar to go up. Well, couldn't have made a bigger up bar for me. Let's see some higher bar, higher close action here. We're going to go ahead and tuck up about right there. You're either going to lift off and go, or I'm going to call it quits, because we've been going up so long here. Well, it's easiest to see it. Let me bring this in, get this chart. See, we've been going up for gas. So, you know, I'm looking at that going up for gas. I'm thinking, we're just kind of getting done. I think we're just about done. In fact, I'm going to even look for a short here in a second, see if I can get a short to set up. Nice little pullback up here. I'll take this thing short again. That was the 50. I didn't really like the setup in here. So let's just see what this thing's going to do when it gets down to the deep. Might just see that we have a nice little long continuation here. Give this a shot. Here we go. Coming from the deep there like that. Came down, kissed those triggers there. I am going against these triggers here, which I don't normally like to do. So okay, we're just going to wait. So that's what I'm talking about from here. We're definitely at a deep, possibly even a double bottom if you look at the pivot. So we just need price to come down here for a little bit, and we'll hop in. Thanks, that rushed that just a bit. Go. Okay, so it took me out. That's fine. We're done. Tell you though, darn it, this is right where I wanted to go. minute. Price has run down quite a bit, and the MACDs haven't followed. Let's see if this thing will go ahead and go. I like the step look here, see? Alright, well, so I made a few gifts, and still going to end the day fine. I expect if I come back and check this later today in a study, I expect that this thing will probably somewhere from this area, give or take a point, I expect that it's going to go ahead and launch up, because this is making a real nice flag in here. But I'm done. I don't need to do any more. So that's a fine day for me, and a good week. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and see you next week.